Well, hello there, YouTube. It is August 21st. God, I haven't ridden in so long. I actually got a new microphone that's actually specifically for the GoPro, or the Media Mod, and the little brick I can wear on the side. So hopefully it'll work. I'll open my shield a little bit. It's been so stinking hot. We've been up in the triple digits forever. You got that 104, 105, always at least 100. And now to this week, what's today? Tuesday. Today, I walked outside this morning like at 5:22. I got up early and I went out to my shop, and it was actually like 73. So it cooled off a little bit. Thank goodness. This heat in Texas just is awful. I moved up north in Texas, but I'm thinking, oh my God, I bet the Austin area is even hotter. But I'm so tired of the heat. My pool was actually 93 degrees. But I think this morning I looked at it, was 85, but it's probably 90 now because it got to 90. It was in the 90s today, 95. But it's cooling off right now, which is kind of nice. I just got out of the shop, so it says 84. That's not right. It's still 90. Let's see, my watch says 90, 93. Still not bad though. I think the humidities might be gone. Yeah, 90, I can't tell, 90, 89. Well, hell, it's 89. So it is cool now. This is the first time at 10 o'clock at night, it's still like 96 outside. You can't even go outside anymore. So, I haven't ridden in like 9 days. So last time I rode the, look at gases. It went down a little bit. 297. What's it across the street? Ooh, 289. Shit, I'm going across the street. Oh, 287 here. Never mind. Some of these pumps don't even work. Ah, jeez. Half of these freaking pumps don't work. Only two out of 4 are working. 287. It was 3 something. Bye. Well, hello there again, YouTube. I gotta turn my cruise on. It's a little bit easier to ride the Goldwing on this road, even though it's crested. The Spider is just like, it's all dancing all over, just because this road's got grooves right here, but the Goldwing never has done that. So one of these days it cools off, I'm going to take a ride down to Ennis, Texas, which is like probably 75 miles away. Go down there and look at the Ravaco dealer. I really love those. I can't get one. My wife will kill me. She would actually kill me if I bought another. I'd have to get rid of this and the Spider. But I really like them. They're like, got like a 4-cylinder turbo, you know, like a car engine in them. You know, 1-foot brake, just like the Spider for all three wheels. Got like 12-inch rims in the back. 12-inch tires are like more than probably 12 inches wide. But I like the touring one, which has the fairing and everything. I'd really like the touring one. I like that one the best. They got stereo systems in them. I don't know. I think they got like a 10 gallon gas tank. I don't know what kind of mileage they get. I got, oh gosh, last time I rode the Spider on a, all day long, I drove it about 60 miles an hour, and I got 40 miles per gallon on that Spider. That's pretty good, and that's all regular gas, regular unleaded. I put regular unleaded in the Spider, and I put regular unleaded in this. And they run perfect. There's no noise on the Spider whatsoever. If you're spending tons of money on 93 octane, then I guess you got more money than I got. Yeah, I've had a Mitsubishi Eclipse Turbo that was supposed to be 93 octane. I put 140,000 miles on it, regular unleaded gasoline. Never put premium gas in that car, and I never will on any of my vehicles. It's just a waste of money. Just because the manufacturer says to put it in, you don't have to. I never did, and I haven't on the Spider either, and it runs perfect. I get 40 miles per gallon, but I don't speed. I don't go 70, 80 miles an hour down the highway. I don't get on the freeway. So best I'll do is like 60, maybe 65 if I'm lucky. And I get great mileage. I get pretty good mileage on this too. I actually got the best mileage on this 2-up pulling a trailer. I got like 38 miles per gallon, probably 40 miles per gallon on this 6-cylinder. Pulling the trailer and 2-up. Mostly kind of through the desert where it was kind of flat, so that worked out pretty good. Then I set the cruise control. There's not a lot of info. There's no like YouTube channels like I have with the Ravacos. There's nothing. I don't know. People own them and they just don't. This guy turning, yeah. People own them and they just don't shoot videos. There's tons of people just go in the dealership, walk around and show it. I've seen thousands of those. I don't need to see anymore, but I want to see somebody riding like this. Now you sit a lot lower, so you may end up having to put the GoPro on top of your helmet. I don't know how low you sit, and you'd just be looking at the fairing. I don't know. I'll have to get one if I get lucky. I really like them though. I guess you'd either like them or you hate them, but I love them. I think they look cool. Once it cools off, I'll take a Saturday and ride down there, and there's a dealership in Ennis, so I'll check it out. God, those retread tires are dangerous. They should be illegal. There's debris all over the highways, and there's just all these retread tires that just fly off. That should be illegal. Bah.